What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today, of course, we are going to talk about Bitcoin, but also we are going to talk about Ethereum. I have two very important charts to show you today on Ethereum. Not only Ethereum, but anyways, two very important charts that I want to show you today. Plus, I am into a short position, guys. Yes, I am trading Solana now to the downside, and I am having right now massive profits. I am going to talk about this trade as well. So if that sounds interesting, you stick with me until the end of this video. Let me start showing to you my trade position, guys, because it is very crazy right now. As you can see right here, $900 guys in profit, as you can see, and I have not met my target yet. If I'm going to be hitting my target all the way down to this level right here, guys. Wait, this is too low, probably here. Yes, right here I am going to be making approximately $2,000 guys, $2,000 with one trade. Definitely my take profit is not going to be hit today, guys. So yes, I'm going to sleep while this trade is open. A very strong trade position, as you can see, 15x with $1,300. Let's come back to the Bitcoin here, guys, because something very interesting is going on. Of course, we don't have a lot of volatility, and as I was expecting, guys, the price action broke above the level of this descending white resistance here that we were talking about on the previous video. We retraced it here to find some support. We found support at this level, but we didn't have enough strength to keep going to the upside, exactly as I told you on the previous video, because we have a very important cluster of resistance above the price section. And after this, after failing at this level right here, we are just seeing the prices rolling down, going down slowly, and the level that we are trading right now, the level that Bitcoin is trading right now right here, is a very important level, because it is not only the level of this white descending support here, but also the support of the top of this parallel channel. If we are going to break this level right now to the downside, guys, this is going to be bearish, of course, and we would expect the price to come at least to the bottom of this parallel channel here once more. And if this happens, guys, of course, it's going to be very good to my trade position here on Solana that I just showed to you. So yes, I don't know about you guys, but actually I want this to break to the downside. And there you go, guys, we are right now breaking it to the downside. As you can see, it doesn't mean that we are going to actually break it to the downside. We need to wait some candles to be closed at this level, because this could be one more huge week to the downside like this, closing above you. We are going to keep going up. So let's wait a little bit and let's see how this is going to play out. But so far, we are breaking it to the downside. Now let's talk a little bit about Ethereum, guys. As I told you already, we are at a very important level here, forming this ascending triangle. Very good news for Ethereum. So far, apparently, we are being rejected here on the smaller time frames. If we come to the 4-hour time frame, to the daily time frame, you can see that we re-attempted to break it to the upside once more. We just left this huge wick here to the upside, but pay attention that this candle is not closed yet. This daily candle is not closed yet, but you will know everything about this pattern already, because I explained to you on the previous videos. There is the case that we are going to come all the way down to the level of this support once more before we finally break it to the upside, guys. I told you that I wanted to show you some charts, so let's go for it right now. The first chart that I wanted to show you today is the total 2, guys. If you don't know what is total 2 means all the altcoins together without Bitcoin. So excluding Bitcoin, all the altcoins together. There is something very interesting here. Let's change to the weekly time frame so I can show it better for you. And as you can see, we had two tops. We had this top right here, and we had this top right here. When we topped out at this time right here, we went down and was supported by this level here and here, forming this support line right there. And as you can see, once we broke the support line to the upside right here, boom, the market just went crazy to the upside, guys. Once we managed, we had a fake out here, as you can see, so be careful always, pay attention always. But once we actually broke it to the upside, retested here as a support, and we were supported by this level, the market just went crazy to the upside. So this time here, we had our top as well. And we can pay attention that we had this line of support here, which is very important for this cycle, as you can see. And since then, we are being rejected by this level here. 1, 2, this time we didn't touch, but almost. And we are right now being rejected by this level, as you can see. So let's pay attention here, guys, because we are talking about the weekly time frame, and today is Monday. So we are being rejected by now, but this candle is going to be closed in 6 days. Only Sunday it is going to be closed. So there is the case that we are going not to be rejected by this point, by this level, but actually we are going to break this to the upside. And if we are going to break this to the upside, guys, we are going to keep seeing huge pumpy moves on the altcoins, guys, if of course history repeats itself. And the second chart that I wanted to show you today, guys, is Ethereum against Bitcoin. Yes, there is something very interesting here. Here we are. If we pay attention here on the daily time frame, guys, you can see that we are trading in between a very important zone. This zone right here, which is acting as a support for the price action, and this zone right here, which is acting as a resistance for the price action. And right now we just tried to break below this level and we were supported, guys. So this is very bullish because it means, of course, that we have a very good probability of going all the way to the top of the channel, the top of this rectangular zone, and coming to this level. It means that Ethereum would be outperforming Bitcoin. It not necessarily means that Bitcoin is going to go down and Ethereum is going to go up, no. But it actually means this can happen, of course, but also, for example, another scenario would be Bitcoin is going to the upside while Ethereum is going higher, more aggressively to the upside. But of course, you understand this type of pattern right here, and we cannot lose this level right here at 0.05. Losing this level right here, then we would be in trouble, most probably, for Ethereum against Bitcoin. But so far, so good. Two important levels that we have here of resistance. This descending one right here. It's going to be a challenge for the price action. And also, there is a zone here. This zone right here. Actually, the zone that we are trading right now. If we manage to break above this level here and start trading here, closing some candles, it increases our probability of going all the way to the top of the channel once more. Now let's go back to my trade, guys. Let's check what is going on here. Let me explain you my motivations and everything about this trade. And we started forming this symmetrical triangle. The last movement that we had here was trying to break to the upside, guys. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention. I didn't see, because if I had seen, I would be trading since here, guys. Definitely 100%. We left this huge wick here to the upside, guys, with this candle, and closed below the support of the triangle, below this line right here, this yellow one. Very, very, very bearish. You can see that we came up here, retested this level once more, and we were rejected twice. Being rejected by this level, the price kept going to the downside, and that's the moment that I had a look here on Solana. I managed to open my trade position here on the retest of this resistance here. We broke this to the downside, and then we had this relief rally here, forming this bear flag, and we were being rejected by this zone of resistance here. And at this moment, I opened my short position, guys. And my target, of course, is going to be all the way down to $49, guys. Why? Because it is the height of the symmetrical triangle, as you can see. Right? And I'm being conservative. I'm not even using these wicks right here. No, just from this point to this point, projected here from the moment of the breakout. And there we go, guys. That's why my target's going to be here. I also have another target here. As you can see, we have this bull flag, right? So we have the pole, we have the flag, we broke out. The target for the bear flag is the height of the pole. So here, projected from the moment of the breakout right there, means that I also have a target here down to $51. If you also want to start trading, guys, or if you're searching for a new exchange to trade, my recommendation to you as always is Bybit, the first link on the description of this video, Bitflex, the second link on the description of this video. And today, as you can see, I'm actually not using Bybit, guys. I am trying a new exchange. I am liking it so far, and very soon, if I am going to actually like this, I am going to be recommend this one to you as well. And guys, let me know what you think about this trade. Let me know also if you think that I'm crazy because I'm making already 50% of my money. I'm making already $700 and I am not closing my position. What do you think about this? Would you close this position? Would you wait to hit the target all the way down here? What would you do? Yes, I have to admit, guys, that it is very bad. It feels awful to see that at some point you had $900 and then the market starts to go up and then suddenly you have only $300 profit, $200 profit. It feels awful, guys. Some days ago I had a very strong position opened on Bybit and I was with $1,400, $1,500 profit, guys, to the upside, but I didn't hit my target, and because of this I didn't close my position. And guess what happened? Boom. No, to the other side. I was stopped out. Yes, sad, very sad, but it is what it is, right? And absolutely the same thing could happen today as well. I hope not, guys. And here together with you I'm going to put my take profit to this level right here. Copy, very simple, add, take profit, paste. As you can see, I'll be making $1,800, guys. 143% of my money. Confirm. I am not going to close my position before I sleep, guys, but of course I am going to adjust my stop loss here. And there we go. I cannot lose money on this trade anymore. I might not win, but I am not losing anymore because my stop loss is below the level of my entry point. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end of this video, guys. Don't forget, if you like this content, to smash the like button and also comment on the comment section. Let me know if you think I'm going to wake up tomorrow with the same amount of money that I had today, or if I'm going to wake up tomorrow $2,000 richer, guys. Let me know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next video. Stay focused!